Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will see a complicated question on bearing. And in the previous two videos, we have seen a simple question and explanation in detail on bearing. So you can see the link in the description. And here is my blog address. If you go to this site, you will find many useful videos here for O and A-level maths for IGCSE, right? So let's start this third question. Okay, so if you see, the question is talking about 6 parts here. We will do one by one, right? And for that, you need to have a good understanding of, for solving bearing, you should know cosine rule, sine rule, properties of parallel line, things like that you need it. So let's start it. First question is find the bearing of Q from P. Now it is saying from P. It means you should have north at P. Let's see, do we have it here? Yes, we have north at P. If it is not there, we will draw it. Now we will see where is Q and we will join Q and P with a line if it is not joined. So let's see Q and P. Yes, it is also joined here in the diagram. Right. So we will see the angle drawn from north at P till Q. So here is north at P, this line, this is straight line. So we will go clockwise and stop here at the line which is joining PQ. So my answer is 36 degree because we write in 3 digits. So it will be 036. Okay. Now let me change the color. So now let's see bearing of P from Q. Now I should have north at Q. Let's see it is there or not. It is not. So I will draw it here. Again I said no need of protector, just a straight line. This is for you for reference. Okay. So now you will join a line, join a point PQ with a line. Let's see it is joined. Yes, it is joined here, PQ. So now you will go from the north at Q clockwise till the line which is joining P and Q. So I will go from here all the way tick, 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 tick till here. So this is my bearing. Why? Because I'm coming clockwise from the north at Q. Okay. Sorry. And this is my answer. I don't know what's going wrong here. Just a minute. Let me draw it here. Okay. This one is my answer. Now, I know if somehow I can find out. Okay, there are 2-3 ways to tell this. I will tell you both ways so that you can think differently also. So I know these two north, right? They are parallel line. If I can find the angle between them, which is very easy because these angles are supplementary. So this will be 180 minus, looking dirty. So if I write 180 minus 36, whatever the answer will be, 180 minus 36, it will be 144. So this answer is 144, but I am looking for this one, right? So we know angle at a point, this is 360 degree. So if this part is 144, this part is what? 360 minus 144. So it will be 360 minus 144, which is 216. So my bearing of P from Q is 216 degree. Make sense? Achha, I said that there is another way also. And what is that? Let me tell you the other way also, so that you know how to solve the same question differently. Okay, see here. Once you will understand one question in detail, you will not need to solve many questions. Okay, so I said draw north at Q. That is must because I have to find angle from Q, P from Q. Now after that, if you see, the other method is, suppose I extend this line, okay, from here till here is straight. It is not straight. Let me draw a straight line. Okay, you know straight line always make 180 degree. Agreed. Now if you see this NP and PQ and Q, let me call it south, they are making Z. And you know in Z, this is what? Alternate angles are equal. It means this is 36 degree, right? If this angle is 36 degree and you have to find all the way from here till here, and you know a straight line is 180 degree, so what you can do? 180 plus 36. So this is also you can do to find out the bearing of P from Q. You will get 216. So it all depends what comes in your mind, what you think about to calculate the angle, and you do like this. So let's do the part C now. Let me erase this to give it a neat look, otherwise it will be very confusing. Okay, so now we are doing R from P. Okay, so now R from P. I will draw north at P now. It is already drawn here for us. You can see this. Okay, now I will join the line to connect R and P. This is also connected here, right? So I have to measure bearing of R from P. So I will draw a measure from north at P till the line which is joining PQ. So this, sorry, PQ carrying PR. So this is easy. It is 36 plus 37. Both are given to you here. So it is 103, right? So now let's see part D. Let me change the color. P from R. Now you have to draw north at R. Is it drawn there? No. So we will draw it here. Okay. So after drawing this north, this line looks little not straight. Like I said, you don't need to draw with the help of what it is called, protector. Just a minute. So I will draw north here. Okay. And it is saying P from R. Now I will see the line joining P and R. Now this is the line joining P and R. So my angle will be from north at R till the line which is joining PR. So now how will you find this out? What comes in your mind? Again, there are 2-3 ways. What I look very easy at the moment is this. If I extend this line which I have drawn north to south, right, it will become a straight line. And a straight line is always 180 degree. And if you see this NP, PR and R, you know I'm talking about this one. So this one is here in the diagram. If you see NP, PR and R south, I'm just calling it south. So it means this angle and this angle are alternate angle. So we have just calculated this. 36 plus 37 were 103 and a straight line is 180 degree. So my answer for P from R will be 180 plus 103. So you will get what? 283. This is your bearing. Make sense? Now giving you time to think and then I will solve it and you can put the video on pause. Q from R. Meanwhile, I'm erasing it. Q from R. Okay. Now because it is saying from R, so I should have north at R. So let me draw it here. Okay. And I will see where is Q. Okay, so Q is here. So I have to come clockwise from the north at R all the way till here. Right? So now, because we have already found in previous part, this one, P from R, and this angle was what? 283, right? We calculated it, 283. So this answer will be 283 plus 43. So it will be what? 300 and right, 326. So this is done. Now R from Q. R from Q. So let me erase this diagram again. Let this be. We may need the answer of the previous part. Okay. So from Q. Oops. It means now I will draw north at Q. It is here, right? And I will join R and Q, straight line, which is here. Okay. So I have to measure bearing R from Q. So north at Q I will go clockwise till this line. So now this is my answer. Because in the previous part, even in the previous part, if you have not found this and you have this question straight away, you can simply find out this angle very quickly, because this one and this one is what? These are supplementary. So you can do 180 minus 36. So you will get here what? 144. We did it in the previous part. So if you see here, if you see here, this QO, okay, I'm just writing it here separately, and this is R. I have to find out this angle, and I know this is 144. I know this is 100. So what will I do here? I will simply do 360 minus 144 minus 100, right? Because this is what? Angle at a point, and this is 360 degree. So I will do 360 minus 100 minus 144, and I will get my answer, which is 116 degree. So I hope you understood this question. I'm showing you one more complicated example, something like this, and you will put the video on pause. I have given the solution of it, so you can check your working along, right? So let's see that question here. So here is the question, right? Now you put the video on pause. I will show you the solution of it. Once you finish your working, you can check your working yourself, and it is given in detail. So wherever, if in case you have made mistake, you will understand through the working also. Okay, so let's see the solution. I'm decreasing the size so that it can come all in one page. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. You can press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Your comments will be encouraging for me, right? Thank you. Take care. Bye.